Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Congratulations for the former South Delhi mayor. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Wednesday congratulated Rekha Gupta on being elected as the new Chief Minister of Delhi, saying the BJP government under her leadership will work day and night to fulfill the expectations of the people of the national capital. I extend my hearty, hearty congratulations and best wishes to Mrs. Gupta Rekha ji on being elected the leader of the BJP Legislative Party Amit Shah. I have full faith that you will work with dedication in the direction of the resolution taken by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to make Delhi one of the top capitals of the world. I am confident that the BJP government under your leadership will work day and night to fulfill the hopes and expectations with which the mothers and sisters of Delhi have blessed the BJP, Shah said in a social media post after Rekha Gupta was elected as the Delhi Bharatiya Janata Party Legislative Party leader. She expressed her gratitude to the party on Wednesday. Speaking to media persons, she said, I thank BJP and I am grateful for the blessings of all of you. In a post on X, Gupta said, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the top leadership for trusting me and entrusting me with the responsibility of the post of Chief Minister. This trust and support of yours has given me new energy and inspiration. I pledge that I will work with full honesty, integrity, and dedication for the welfare, empowerment, and overall development of every citizens of Delhi. I am fully committed to this important opportunity to take Delhi to new heights. Meanwhile, celebrations started outside Gupta's residence. After the declaration, she is set to become the fourth female chief minister of Delhi. She was elected leader of the BJP Legislative Party at a meeting of newly elected BJP MLAs on Wednesday. Rekha Gupta has been elected from Shalimar Bagh and will take the oath of office on Thursday at Ramlila Maidan. BJP Central observers Ravi Shankar Prasad and Om Prakash Dhankad were present at the meeting of the newly elected MLAs. The BJP is forming a government after 27 years in Delhi. Rekha Gupta will be the fourth woman chief minister. The BJP won 48 seats in a historic mandate earlier this month, ousting the Aam Aadmi Party from power. All arrangements have been made for the swearing-in function to tomorrow. This was a historic mandate and a historic decision. Respect for women is the biggest priority for BJP. Many congratulations to Rekha Gupta for becoming the leader of the Legislative Party and the Chief Minister of Delhi, Manoj Tiwari. Rekha Gupta will be the fourth woman CM of Delhi, and it is a very good thing that women are showing up in politics with great enthusiasm. I hope that Rekha Gupta will keep up with the party's promises, especially as a woman chief minister. The RS 2500 assistance to the women of the city. Former Delhi Chief Minister Atishi. Many congratulations and best wishes to Srimati Rekha Gupta on being elected as the leader of the BJP Legislative Party in Delhi. I firmly believe that under the guidance of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and with his efforts, Delhi will become the developed capital of developed India. Defense Rajnath Singh. The people of Delhi were awaiting the announcement of their chief minister. The wait of people has ended today. I extend my congratulations and best wishes to the new Delhi CM Rekha Gupta. I hope the new chief minister fulfills the responsibilities and the promises made by BJP and take forward the works done by our chief minister Arvind Kejriwal. Gopal Rai, our leader. Many congratulations to Rekha Gupta ji on becoming the Chief Minister of Delhi. I hope that she will fulfill all the promises made to the people of Delhi. We will support her in every work for the development and welfare of the people of Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal, आप national convener. Thank you.